Is your dryer causing you trouble? Your dryer vent might be the culprit. Your dryer vent plays a vital role in your dryer's operation and safety. Let's explore the warning signs of a malfunctioning dryer vent. Your dryer vent expels heat, moisture, and carbon monoxide. Look out for these red flags. Damp clothes after a cycle, a burning smell, excessive heat in your laundry room, and lint accumulation. Neglecting a malfunctioning vent can lead to fires, carbon monoxide buildup, mold growth, increased energy bills, and premature wear on your dryer and clothes. Act quickly to prevent hazards and enjoy benefits like reduced fire risk, a longer-lasting dryer, lower energy bills, and better preserved clothes. If you notice any warning signs, don't hesitate to contact a dryer vent expert. They can inspect, repair, and clean your vents for optimal performance. Don't wait for a disaster to strike. Safeguard your home and family by taking care of your dryer vent today. Check out our complete guide to dryer vent repair and installation at the description below for more expert tips.